If you are someone who stammers while speaking in English, or you speak fluently but make a lot of grammatical mistakes and want to improve upon it, you have came to the right place. Stay tuned till the end of the video to get some awesome tips to speak better and more fluent English. So welcome back everyone, and if you are new to this channel, welcome for the first time. My name is Lucky. I'm a third year pharmacy student who is obsessed with three things: self-development, productivity and books. Recently many people have asked me how did I improve my English, how did I make it fluent as it is right now. So today I'm going to share some tips and steps that I used myself to improve my English and make it more fluent. You guys are going to love this first tip, which is to watch a lot of English movies, TV shows or anime. Learning English doesn't have to involve reading a lot of textbooks or grammar books. You can learn English while enjoying a good movie or a TV show. This medium of learning English is best for learning pronunciation and accents if you are into that. You just have to pay close attention at how the actors in the movie or TV show are pronouncing words, how they are using words and what phrases they are using, how they are forming sentences, and you can learn a lot by doing that. And if you are someone who doesn't know about any good English movie recommendations, then I asked you other guys to help them and comment down below some good recommendations for English movies and TV shows in the comment section. Now do it, help each other. Okay, so you knew this was coming. The second tip is to read a lot of books. You don't have to pick up Shakespeare as the first book you read. You just have to pick up something that you know you will like. And if you want some good book recommendations for beginners, here's the video for it. Reading books is a better and more efficient way to learn English than watching movies and TV shows, because every single word is in front of you. I have seen many people who are good at English speaking but are bad at sentence formation and grammar, and this can be easily improved by reading. You just have to pay close attention at how sentences are formed and try to mimic them and compare them with how you speak. So observe, compare and learn while enjoying a good book. The third tip is to find a practice partner. Preparing and studying for learning a language is good, but if you truly want to improve, you need to do practice and more practice. So I would really suggest you to find a partner who also wants to improve in English, and you can speak with each other in English. And if you don't have someone like that, ask someone in your family or your friends that you will speak with them in English and they can reply in any language they want. I think this is the thing that helped me the most. I did it with my friend Vihan. Yes, I'm talking about you. His English is better than mine, so I just asked him that whenever we speak, I will try to speak in English most of the time, and just be patient with me, because I knew I was going to stammer and I was going to make mistakes and all that, and he suffered through all that for me. So do something like that. Tell your friends that you are trying to learn a new language and ask them to be a bit patient with you. Also, it's fine to stammer, it's fine to make mistakes. You will learn from that only. And if you don't find someone like that, just do it with your brother or sister. It's lockdown right now, they can't run away even if they get irritated. The fourth tip is especially for those guys who just don't have a partner, or even if you have a partner, you can do this. It is to practice in front of a mirror or a camera. This is the best thing you can do to improve your English without anyone's help. So every night just go in front of a mirror and talk with yourself in English for just 4 to 5 minutes, and also tell your siblings that what you are doing, or they will consider you mental. And just summarize your day, what things happen, or just talk about anything that you want. Try to be as fluent as you can and try to speak continuously. I would really recommend you to do it in front of a camera and record yourself while doing it, so that you can compare your English in the first video and your current English. So the fifth and the most important tip to improve in English or any language is to be shameless. When you will start talking in English, it's gonna be awkward, it's gonna be weird, it will feel a little bit strange, and you are gonna make a lot of mistakes. But embrace all of that and just try to improve, because by doing mistakes, you will learn. You just have to keep on going and practicing as much as you can. And I want to say something more. You are going to be judged while speaking in English. You are going to be made fun of, and people will be like, "Ha, बहुत smart हो गया है, English में बात कर रहा है," and all that shit. Just don't pay attention to them. You are doing it for yourself. You are doing it for improving yourself, and just don't let those people or don't let those comments get into your head, and just keep on improving. Also, at last, I want to say that Learning a language is a slow process. It won't happen in a week. So be patient with yourself. It will at least take a month to see improvement. So be patient and don't rush it at all. Hurry will just make you demotivated. I just want to say that many people associate English with smartness, class, and all that shit, but I don't support that. I don't believe speaking a language makes you seem smarter or anything. But English is a universal language, and you can be fine anywhere in the world if you just know English, and it never hurts to know an extra language. So that's all, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I really hope I provided some value to you through this video. And please comment down below any topic on which you want me to make a video, and I'll see you next time.